three things we absolutely love about this fully renovated two-bedroom unit in Yorkeys Knob. Number one, the location. It's only a 5-minute walk to the beach. Absolutely fantastic. Number two, there's only 6 units in the block with relatively low body corporate fees. Number three, it's your own lock-up garage with a bit of storage at the back. G'day, I'm Adam Sader at Benchmark Real Estate Cairns. We're driven, we're passionate, and we are here at Unit 1, 23 Rutherford Street, Yorkeys Knob. Let's have a look. I'm sure you'll agree that this unit ticks a lot of boxes, and for those looking to invest, you get $550 a week return, no worries. I'm Adam Sader at Benchmark Real Estate Cairns, where our service is your benchmark.